Hello, this is Linda Stiles Smith at Naturescape Studio. There was a comment that came up in one of the Facebook posts that I was on recently, and people wanted to know how to attach a earring back to a post earring to make a post earring. And this is what I have come up with, and I think it's very secure and something that's really fairly easy to do if you know what you're doing. Um, if you've seen it done in the steps. So what I've done is I've cut out my little earrings, my cardinals here, and I've cut out the shapes that I'm going to use to help secure the post. What I want to do is take that post and push it through the backing material, try to get it centered there, and push it through the backing material so that it's all set to put on to the back of the earring. I've prepared these more by, I'm going to add a little ring to add some charms on here, but I've put a little bit of poly paste right here on the center of that back of the earring where I'm going to put the post. And then I'm going to take this post and help and place it here so that it covers both of these pieces. Now the earring back, the pad on the back of that is underneath here, and that will be secured by the poly paste on the clay, plus the added piece of clay that's going to be worked down here. And what I take is some these rubber tip tools and start pressing down around this to help it grab the clay underneath. I kind of spread it out a little bit so that it's got some extra clay here, because it is not extremely big, a lot bigger than the pad, so I want to make sure that there's clay all the way around the outside of it and that I've pressed this down securely. The best way to do it is with some kind of a tool. My fingers are too big to get in there right. And then I'll continue to work this down a little bit more so that it has a really good connection to the clay underneath. And you can straighten your post if it goes a little wonky. And this usually, I take a gentle touch and it doesn't disturb any of the design that's on the other side. And when I'm done with that, then I've got an earring post that's securely attached to the design part in the front. And once that's baked, that's going to be a very solid, secure hold. And the added nice thing about that is with this clay in here, then no metal is touching the ear. The only part you have to worry about is what's going through the hole in your ear. So I find this to be a fairly easy way to make an earring post secure in polymer clay. And once you know these steps, it's very easy to do and recreate in several pairs, which is what I'm making right now. So I hope that helps you the next time you want to use earring posts in your polymer clay earrings.